All right, look what we have here. Got the 56-inch double bank roller cabinet from Harbor Freight, Series 3, US General, and we're gonna unbox this and set it up. This is my first brand new toolbox, so I'm super excited for it. Plus, this is the new garage space in Georgia. So it's pretty much, I think, 29 or 30 feet across. This whole area is kind of insulated. And then back here, we have this storage room, and this is air conditioned. But yeah, we'll go set it up. Probably do a time lapse. Now it should pick up. Reveal the box. There it is. Top tier packaging from Harbor Freight. Looks good. Cord, handle, pads. Comes with pads. Didn't know that. I'm gonna wait for that top one. Unless that's. It's all the pads. Okay. Look at how blue everything is. So nice. This is one of the nicest things I've ever bought myself. So many tools. So in here, built-in power, so I can plug all my batteries in. And then I'm guessing, yep, it's got an outlet right there on the back. Here's the walk around. No scratches at all. Plus spot for a handle right there. Or on that side. Nice. Sweet. Let me go get my drill. Alright, gotta take these supports off. Hopefully this holds it. Well, that's it for today's video. Uploaded. I'll tell you guys how I like it in a little bit. So far, so good. Getting dirty already.